The vision for the company is really to be a vertically integrated service company and a technology company. When I look around the industry, we've got different players that are software players, we've got hardware players, we've got players that dabble in the service part of it, but nobody really wraps it together. And it really requires a holistic solution to meet the market's needs. The industry really is lacking really formal training for service technicians in the EV space. First of all, you have to have some electrical skills. You have to be a licensed technician of some sort to be able to really work on this equipment. And then when you look at the various types of equipment, there are different types of charging equipment ranging from AC level 2 to high-powered DC charging. All of the brands have something that's unique and a little different. What we do is we provide that training in-house to our service technicians so that they're able to troubleshoot everything from a cable to a power control module or a PLC. Very technical, very specific to different brands. And that training enables the technician to be able to accurately diagnose a problem quickly. The other thing it does is it actually enables our team to be able to scale and support multiple customers that may have different kinds of hardware. InCharge is going to grow the service business. I mean, that is the business that really keeps us sticky with our customers, and it's the thing that our customers love about us. If I were to quote customers, large customers, OEM customers, they say, "We love InCharge because you guys just know how to get things done," as opposed to having to pick up the phone and call a subcontractor and then hope he knows how to work on it. So we're going to scale this business. We are currently licensed in all 50 states and 10 provinces. We'll look to grow the team to scale with the industry.